Welcome to the Philips 27B1U3900 monitor setup tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your Philips monitor. Let's get started. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the monitor itself, the base, the stand, the power cord, the HDMI cord, the DisplayPort cord, the USB-C cord. Lastly, we have the quick start guide, which is handy for setup instructions. Let's set up the monitor's base and stand. First, we will lay the monitor on a flat surface facing down. Next, we will connect the stand to the monitor. Gently attach the stand to the monitor until you hear it snap in place. Finally, we will screw the base to the bottom of the stand. Let's go over the viewing angles on the monitor. For optimal viewing, it is recommended to look at the full face of the monitor, then adjust the monitor's angle to your own preference. Hold the top and bottom of the monitor so it will not topple when you change the monitor's angle. The monitor can be height adjusted 130 millimeters and tilted -5 degrees to +25 degrees. It can also swivel -180 to +180 degrees and pivot -90 to +90 degrees. To avoid potential screen damage such as panel peeling, ensure that the monitor does not tilt downward by more than -5 degrees. Do not press the screen when adjusting the monitor's angle. Grasp only the bezel. It is important to note that when you adjust the angle of the monitor screen, the entire stand and rotating disc will move with it, as this is a swivel adjustable monitor. Next, let's see the ports on the monitor. The monitor has 2 HDMI ports, a display port, a USB-C port, an Ethernet port, and 3 USB-A ports, along with an audio port. In this example, we will connect via the USB-C port to the monitor and USB-C port to the computer. First, connect the power cable to your monitor and then plug into your nearest wall outlet. Next, we will plug into the monitor's USB-C port, and then you will plug into the USB-C port of the computer. You will shortly have video signal to the monitor. To access the OSD menu, press the OK button. Please pause the video for a full list of menu controls. To lock the OSD menu, press and hold the OK button when the monitor is off, and then press the power button to turn the monitor on. To unlock the OSD menu, press and hold the OK button while the monitor is off, and then press the power button to turn the monitor on. You must be plugged in via the USB-C port to the monitor, to the USB-C port or USB-A port on your computer to activate the hub. You can use the USB port on the bottom of your monitor or the 2 USB ports on the side of your monitor to connect your peripherals to your computer. And there you have it. Your Philips monitor is now ready to use, where clarity meets simplicity.